Hi, this is Gail King, and I want to share some tips with you concerning adult children and parents because I know these relationships can be challenging. I have two adult children myself, so I know from personal experience that it takes our mutual, unconditional love, patience, and kindness to nurture a loving, healthy relationship. In other words, it takes work on both sides, but even if you're working alone, you will see amazing improvement. So, here are 5 quick tips that will improve any relationship between a parent and an adult child. First, we need to pray and ask for God's help because we do need wisdom and patience. And all of these tips go for parents and children. Both of us should practice these qualities. The Bible says to commit your work to God and you will succeed. And also, we need to get professional help if we need emotional support. It's nothing wrong with speaking to a pastor or even a Christian counselor. And second, we need to forgive unconditionally. Learn to forgive quickly and just keep forgiving each other. This virtue of forgiveness will bless a family, it'll bless a marriage, it'll bless a career, and it blesses us in every single walk of life. And then, third, we have to establish respectful boundaries. As parents, we have to speak to our children with as much kindness and restraint and respect as we'd use with our pastor. And we have to, and this goes for parents and children again, we have to avoid nagging and criticizing each other. The Bible says that children should honor their father and mother so that they will live long and do well. Mutual respect is non negotiable. But even if someone has disrespected us, that does not give us the right to be just as wrong. And then, four, we need to start to be kind and generous. The best way to pave a successful future is to work hard at forgetting the past and use kindness and generosity, where appropriate, to pave a new future. Remember to say, I love you. You'd be surprised how many adult children say that their parent either seldom or never have said, I love you to them. We need to say, I love you, I appreciate you, and we need to praise whatever is appropriate. Parents need to hear us say, I love you too. And then five, we must refuse to argue. And that's not something we say, it's something we do by listening more and just speaking less. So, if in summary, if we ask God for his wisdom and patience, if we forgive, if we speak respectfully, if we're kind, and we go out of our way to avoid arguments, then we'll be on our way to building a loving, healthy relationship. Remember, in the Bible, James 1:19 says, understand this, my dear brothers and sisters. You must all be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to get angry. And Ephesians 6:2-3 says, honor your father and mother. This is the first commandment with a promise. If you honor your father and mother, things will go well for you, and you will have a long life on the earth. So if you practice these 5 tips in your relationship as a parent or your relationship as an adult child, you will experience enormous improvement. God bless you.